The first class tomorrow, page number 35, wake up time in your English books. This is a rhyme we are going to start with. Okay, wake up time. Wake up time means wake up. When we woke up early in the morning, जब हम morning में उठते हैं. So that this poem is all about the time, what we do, all the things, all the our daily activities. So let's read once again. Tring, tring goes the clock. Repeat, everyone. So tring, tring is here. The alarm. Okay, alarm sound. Clock में time हो गया. At any time, you wake up. So that time is now. And so the alarm is ringing. And how the alarm is ringing, my dear? Tring, tring. Cock a doodle doo. Cock. Please read with me. Cock a doodle doo. What is the meaning of doodle doo? A male chick. मॉर्निंग में आपको आवाज आती है कुकड़ू कुकड़ू, आती है ऐसी साउंड. सो दिस इज द सेम साउंड ऑफ अ कॉक. कॉक आ डूडल डू गोस द कॉक. मॉर्निंग में कॉक आवाजें कर रहा है, कैसी साउंड निकाल रहा है? कॉक आ डूडल डू. एंड हु इज टेकिंग आउट द साउंड? कॉक. wake up says the sun. Now as it is morning time, the sun has risen. Okay, morning में sun निकल आया है. So what is doing? The sun is shining very brightly. And what the sun is saying? Wake up, wake up. Wake up means उठ जाओ. Wake up, wake up. Time to get up and have fun. Means in the morning, wake up, wake up. उठ जाओ. Time to get up. Means morning में आपका time हो गया है उठने का. मम्मा बोलती है ना, मम्मा कैसे उठाती है मॉर्निंग में? रिद्धि get up, रिद्धि get up, get up. So similarly, what the sun is saying, wake up, उठ जाओ, time to get up. Time हो गया है उठने का and have fun. Do you enjoy your days? आप enjoy करते हो ना डे टाइम में? So the sun is saying the same thing कि get up, उठ जाओ और have fun. अब मस्ती करनी है बहुत सारी. Because you know my dear students, everything is fun. अगर आप पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हो, if you are doing study, then also you should take studies as a fun. आपको enjoy करना चाहिए हर चीज में, तभी तो वो इंटरेस्टिंग बनेगा. लेट्स सी, अगर आपको मैम उठा रही है मॉर्निंग में या फिर मम्मा या फिर मैम अगर आपको पढ़ा रही हैं, सो जस्ट टेक इट एज अ फन. आप enjoy करो स्टडीज को, अच्छे से आप पढ़ो, तभी तो आप enjoy करोगे ना, और तभी आपको चीजें लर्न हो जाएंगी जल्दी. देन ओनली यू विल score good marks. So what the sun is saying, sun क्या बोल रहे हैं? Wake up, time to get up and have fun. Now, time to brush and wash your face. Time to dress up and tie your shoelace. Time to brush and wash your face. Morning में जब आप उठते हो तो what you do? You brush your teeth, you wash your face, then you go and take a bath, and then you dress up, you wear your shoes, and you tie your shoelace. So what is written over here? Time to brush and wash your face. Time to dress up and tie your shoelace. Then once you get ready, what you do? You eat. What do you eat? You eat anything? And what do you drink? Achha, what do you drink in the morning? Or what you should drink? We should always drink milk in the morning. So now, time to eat toast and milk to drink. Then time to keep the balls in the sink. After eating and drinking, what you do with your utensils? Do you keep them in the sink or you just let them keep on the table only? Very good. We should go and keep the balls in the sink. So what the son is saying? Time to keep the balls in the sink. That means you should always finish your food. Do not leave the leftover in the utensils. Whatever the mama has given you, just finish that. So, time to keep the balls in the sink. See, the boy is keeping the utensils, keeping his balls in the sink. Time to say bye and a kiss to blow. If you are going, you say bye to your parents, bye to your grandparents. So what we should say while going? Bye and a kiss to blow. Here comes the bus. See, the bus has come. Off to school we go. And now where are we going? We are going to school. So what all we did? We wake up, then we brushed our teeth, we washed our face, we dress up, tied our shoelace, eat the breakfast, keep the balls in the sink, and then we say bye-bye. In your English notebook, start from the new page, write down today's date, write down classwork, write down the name of the poem, that is wake up time. And then we will be writing this content, poem recitation plus explanation and content. Beta, this is your classwork. This all we will be doing. Complete the given lines and write the rhyming words 4. And this will be your homework. Now I'll be explaining this again, okay?